Yes, dear students, and the next concept is removal of permanent hardness of water. The permanent hardness of water is caused by dissolution of magnesium and calcium salts of chlorides and sulfates in water. How to remove permanent hardness of water? The permanent hardness of water cannot be removed by boiling method. Some important methods are used for the removal of permanent hardness of water. The first method is treatment with treatment with washing soda. Treatment with washing soda. The first method of removal of permanent hardness of water is treatment with washing soda. What is the chemical composition of washing soda? Na2CO3, sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate is called washing soda. When permanent hard water is treated with suitable amount of sodium carbonate. Treated with suitable amount of sodium carbonate. For example, here MgSO4 magnesium sulfate is treated with sodium carbonate Na2CO3. Here magnesium sulfate is hard water, sodium carbonate is the reagent which gives magnesium carbonate MgCO3 gets precipitated and the byproduct is Na2SO4. Na2SO4. This magnesium carbonate gets removed by the filtration, hence the water which becomes softness. And the second one is instead of magnesium sulfate, calcium chloride CaCl2. Calcium chloride is treated with sodium carbonate solution gives CaCO3. Calcium carbonate gets precipitated and 2NaCl. 2NaCl. This precipitated can be removed by filtration process. This is the first method can be used for the removal of permanent hardness of water. Name the reagent used the treatment or removal of permanent hardness in the treatment of washing soda, sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate. And the second method is Calgon's process. Calgon's process or Calgon's method. Calgon's process or Calgon's method. Here, sodium hexametaphosphate. Sodium hexametaphosphate. Sodium hexametaphosphate. And the molecular formula is Na6P6O18. O18. This is the formula for sodium hexametaphosphate. Commercially, this compound is called Calgon. Commercially, this compound is called Calgon. What is the reagent used during the removal of permanent hardness of water by Calgon's process? Sodium hexametaphosphate. Sodium hexametaphosphate. When Calgon is added, when Calgon, nothing but sodium hexametaphosphate, when Calgon is added into hard water, the following chemical reaction takes place. The following chemical reaction takes place. In the first step, Na6P6O18 can decomposes, gives Na4P2O18 2 minus plus 2Na plus. Here Na6 can be converted into Na4. And the second step, this compound is treated with hard water. Here M2 plus nothing but hard water is treated with Na4P2 O18, 2 minus. Here calgon is treated with hard water. Here the Na plus which can replace us the M2 plus in hard water. The product, the complex formation Na2, P6, Na2, P6, O18, here M2 minus plus 2 Na plus. The 2 Na plus ion which can replace us the M2 plus ions from hard water. This complex having insoluble and the M2 plus can combine with complex the water which become softness. This process is known as Calgon's method or Calgon's process. The next method is ion exchange method. Ion exchange method. Ion exchange method. This method is also called permuted process, or zeolite process. Permuted process or zeolite process. Ion exchange method is also called permuted process or zeolite process. What do you mean by zeolite? What do you mean by zeolite? Zeolite is the hydrated sodium, aluminium, silicate is called zeolite. Hydrated sodium aluminium silicate. The chemical formula is NaAlSiO4. NaAlSiO4. This is the chemical composition of zeolite, hydrated sodium aluminium silicate. Simply written as zeolite. Simply written as NaZ. Simply written as NaZ. When zeolite is added to hard water, the following exchange chemical reaction takes place. The following exchange chemical reaction takes place. The following exchange chemical reaction takes place. Here NaZ, 2NaZ is treated with M2 plus aqueous. Here M2 plus nothing but magnesium or calcium in hard water. MZ2 solid plus 2Na plus aqueous. Here M2 plus nothing but Mg2 plus or calcium 2 plus. Mg2 plus or calcium 2 plus. Here NaZ is the solid state. Zeolite is added to suitable amount of hard water. The hard water which becomes soft water here Na plus ion present in zeolite which can replace us the M2 plus ions from hard water. Here M2 plus nothing but magnesium or calcium ion. In this process, the zeolite can be regenerated by using or by the treatment of sodium chloride. Here, when MZ2 treated with sodium chloride, NaCl, which gives NaZ plus MCl2. Equation 2NaCl, 2NaZ plus MCl2. The zeolite can be regenerated or re-existed by the treatment of NaCl treated with MZ2. NaZ, zeolite can be regenerated in this second equation. This method is very important. This method is also called permutate process or zeolite process.